I would say MaintainX is innovative, and they're nimble, and they provide an intuitive solution to help take your reliability program to the next level.
We assigned one of our engineering managers at the time that was responsible for CMMS to kind of take a deeper look. And I remember where I was on a Friday after work. It was like 6 p.m. my time, when I took a phone call from him. And he had just finished kind of an in-depth review of MaintainX. And he was very excited. And so when I go to plants and I ask them about what is their experience with MaintainX, first of all, they say, well, it's significantly better than what we had before. Our previous platform was archaic. The user experience, I think, is probably the best part that I'm getting feedback on. It's so much easier to use. Instantaneous access to the data. And then obviously the fact that now we give them the freedom to use their cell phone or their tablet if they want to be able to then do their work. They don't have to go back to their desk to access the desktop version.
I feel like I'm on the computer less. It enables me to walk around, look at the equipment, look at processes to see if I can improve them. It just really frees me up to be more visual in the plant versus sitting in an office stuck behind a computer. It makes me feel good about my job. It makes me feel like the company cares because they're trying to do something to improve our day-to-day routine.
You might get an extra hour a day, 2 hours. Over a week, that's 10 hours. That's a couple tasks, a couple jobs that could have been done, a couple inspections. It's made everything a lot better.
MaintainX aligns with our objectives and values. From day one, they've been able to keep pace with us here at Cintas, which is very hard to do. With our partnership, we're building a data foundation that we can take advantage of for many years to come.